quickly, let's look at how we can change our account currency from dollar to naira account. First, let me explain why sometimes it is necessary for you to change. Like me, I started using dollar account from the beginning of this account, and though the exchange rate in on Google, if you go and check the exchange rate at that time, dollar was about 366. You check it on Google, that's what Google is going to give you. But when Nigeria bank are going to deduct their own money by the time you are running ad, they are going to be deducting 450 something naira per dollar. And at the end, you will now see that the amount you are spending on ad is going extremely very high. That was why I decided to change it from dollar to naira account. And since I've started using naira account, it is more better for me. So if you want to change your own from dollar account to naira account, this is what you are going to do. You click on this icon here, and you are going to see account setting here. You are going to click on open payment setting. Then you are going to see edit business info. Here you are going to see your billing country region. You select Nigeria if you are from Nigeria. Then this is where you are going to change the currency to naira. You will change it to naira. You change it from US dollar back to naira. And the moment you change it to naira, change your time zone to Lagos time and you hit save. You are going to receive a warning that this account will be deactivated. Click save. Click continue, and the moment you click continue or whatever you see, just agree with them. That account will be automatically deactivated and a new one bearing the same name will be created. And that one now will now have naira sign. So that is what you are going to do, and all the ad you have been running before will be deleted. This new account become new. All the audiences you have created before will be deactivated. Everything will be deactivated. It is like a new account. You are just starting afresh. So I hope you get that. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.